Have you ever wondered why Japanese rock gardens, also known as Zen gardens, have no water yet they perfectly depict a natural landscape? These unique gardens, known in Japan as kare-sansui, are a testament to the art of minimalism and tranquility. The term kare-sansui literally translates to dry landscape. It is a design philosophy that captures the essence of nature without using water. Instead, it utilizes rocks, gravel, and sand to symbolize natural elements. Zen gardens are a paradox. They present a dry landscape but evoke the sense of flowing water. Now imagine achieving a state of Zen just by looking at a combination of rocks, gravel, and sand. Intriguing, isn't it? Japanese rock gardens, also known as Zen gardens, are a perfect embodiment of Zen philosophy. The careful arrangement of rocks and the meticulous patterns drawn on the sand or gravel are not just for aesthetic appeal. They symbolize various aspects of nature and life. A single rock might represent a mountain, or a pattern in the sand might symbolize the flow of a river. The act of creating these patterns is more than just gardening. It's a meditative practice. It's a way to clear the mind, focus on the present, and achieve a state of tranquility. Whether you're the gardener creating the patterns or a visitor taking it all in, the Zen garden offers a journey to inner peace. Next time you come across a Zen garden, remember, it's more than just an arrangement of rocks. It's a journey to inner peace. Ready to embark on your own Zen journey? The allure of Japanese rock gardens beckons, inviting you to delve deeper. Whether you choose to visit one, immerse yourself in books about them, or craft your own, each path offers a unique route to mindfulness and tranquility. Let the Zen gardens guide you to serenity, one stone at a time. Before you go, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights. Here's to your Zen journey.